What's the meaning of concordat? Concordat. Concordat.
Concordat. Concordat. A concordat is a formal agreement between the Vatican and a secular government that regulates matters of mutual interest, such as property rights, taxation, and religious education. The resulting agreement is intended to promote cooperation and understanding between the two entities, while also preserving the autonomy and interests of both parties. Historically, concordats have played an important role in shaping the relationship between the Catholic Church and various European nations, and continue to be used as a tool for resolving disputes and promoting dialogue between church and state.